Hello everyone. Welcome to new video from TechFawn channel. Today I briefly show you how to download YouTube video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. First, you need to go to youtube.com. And then search your video, which you need to download. In here I search for how to make cake. And then choose your video. In here I choose first video for download. After load the video, now I open another tab. Then you should go to y2make.com. You can see this kind of website. After load to that site, you should go to your video and copy the video link. After copied, you can paste it here. Then it shows various qualities to download this video. Choose the quality and then click download. Then again click download. If you getting advertisements, please close all those ads. After successfully download, you can play that video like this. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel if you like to this kind of more videos.